Hey everyone, Sheevaun here, driving for your success. And the topic today is, what is up with your intuition? Is it all that it's cracked up to be? Is it giving you good or bad signals? Generally we say, oh my God, I'm going with my gut. And yeah, maybe you are. But in the particular case of creating a miracle and truly what you want, there's this really fine line of going with your gut. And if you go with your gut and there's a really distinct feeling of, okay, I'm going with it. This is my intuitive choice. And then what you find out is, maybe that wasn't my first intuitive choice. So which one do you go with? Your first intuitive choice or your second or your third? Listen, you only have one intuitive choice, and your intuition is really much more intricate and not your mind. I'll give you an example of a client of mine who was going to come to California for one of the workshops we were giving. And her father had said he needed to go into surgery at this particular time, which was exactly when the workshop was happening. And what it came down to is she said her gut told her to stay home and not go to the workshop. As we unwound it and really got the clutter of the emotions and the energy and all of the drama and trauma cleaned up around her, what she discovered is that that wasn't her first gut instinct. That was her second and third gut instinct. And the fascinating thing is she knew in her heart of hearts, that her first gut instinct to go to the training was really the right one. And she convinced herself in a little insidious way that her instinct and her intuition said to do this other thing. And the fascinating thing is we do this a lot with our intuition. We actually don't follow our highest intuition. Our highest intuition is turn left on the X and pick up milk, and you don't even drink milk. So you go, you pick it up, and then you realize that that highest intuition is to help somebody along your journey that you're going to end up with throughout the next hour or two of your day. So most people don't follow their highest and first intuitive hit, because we back it into money and safety and is it in alignment, and then all of the feelings. And the fascinating thing is our first intuitive hit is our soul's impression, our safe, most authentic, most aligned, easiest path that we often do not take. So what is the intuitive hit that you need to pay attention to, that you have not taken, that seems completely non-doable, seems completely out of the realm, but that was the intuitive hit that you really should have taken, that you really need to take? What is that one? Hey, my name's Sheevaun Moran. I'm driving for your success. And if you're watching this anywhere other than SheevaunMoran.com, go there. And did you know I have a podcast called Driving for Your Success? And did you know that I have an Instagram page, actually two Instagram pages, one Sheevaun Moran and the other one called Energetic Solutions. So looking forward to seeing you somewhere in my world. Till later, follow your first intuitive hit. Big hugs.